Hey, what's going on everyone? Today is November the 13th, 2021, and on today's video, this is going to be a video for our artisan members. These are the individuals who want to come through and support this particular channel. You guys can see right now from the screen that you're looking at that I have two perks currently ongoing for this particular channel. The first one is our apprentice perk to those who just simply want to support us. It's $1.99 per month. We definitely appreciate all of our other apprentice members right now. Thank you all for the support. It has been massively great. I definitely want to take this opportunity to say thank you all for believing in the content that we are creating. Hopefully you guys are learning so much from understanding that price and volume is the only thing that you need to see where price is going to go. And for those who want to get a little bit more involved, we got that artisan perk you guys can see right there for the lookout. I can't cover every cryptocurrency, every stock in the market. You guys obviously see some other particular plays that may be in the cryptocurrency space or stock market. So I wanted to create this other perk right here to allow you all opportunity to say, okay, maybe we need to look at this particular cryptocurrency, or maybe I find interesting a different particular stock that I don't cover on this channel. That is what this artisan perk is for. It's for those members who want to see some other markets to see if there's any other opportunities or plays that we can grab the bag from the market. So again, the first perk is $1.99. The second one is $4.99 a month in order for you all to gain access to these perks. Now, I definitely want to take the opportunity to say thank you to Henry. He is our latest member who has decided to join and support our channel. Thank you, Henry, for believing in us. Hopefully you can continue to learn as much about language analysis as possible so that you can be able to do this for yourself. So now, let me go ahead and talk about the two cryptocurrencies that our artisan members wanted us to talk about on today's video. So let me go ahead and show you all that right now. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, if I haven't mentioned it to you all before, if you guys appreciate our videos and our content, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well so you guys can become notified of whenever we do our price predictions, because within the cryptocurrency space, the market is open 24 hours a day. And as more and more price bars and volume bars become created, we need to come back in and see what the market is trying to do next. So if you guys want the heads up, definitely hit that bell notification right there on your screen. So let's talk about Celo real quick. Right, this is Celo. We haven't done a price prediction in this currency before, so our artisan member obviously has an interest in this market. So let's take a look at what price is going to do in Celo. Okay, check this out. First things first, we all can tell that for the most part Celo is in a upward trend. Right, for the most part we can follow that the price trend in Celo is one of higher prices, which is an excellent thing, because as long as the price stays above this ascending line, guess what? It's safe to say that the price will always go up into perpetuity, forever, as long as this price trades above that ascending line. Okay, so we're going to keep that in mind as we do our price prediction today. Now, you guys can even see here though that we got some restriction points up here towards what, $7.50 in Celo. Now, not only can we see restriction at $7.50, I can bring it down a little bit lower, and there's another closer area of restriction that we've seen into the market in Celo as well. See, these two lines right here is going to play a very important role as to where price is going to go. And don't let no one else try to confuse you. Everyone is worried about the price. Now, they try to come in and try to tell you that they're worried about the project and what they have planned, and what are their milestones that they have going into the future. They want to know as much as possible about the technicals, about these cryptocurrencies. No, it all boils down to the price. Everyone is worried about price. Everyone is worried about becoming wealthier than what they once were prior to even investing in these cryptocurrencies. Don't let these people fool you into think that they're more worried about the project. No, they're more worried about the money. Everyone is worried about price and where price is going. Okay, so check this out. So we identified a couple of areas that we are expecting the market to give us some ideas, some movement here in this space, right? So let's take a look at this little boil down. Let's get a little closer to what price has done in Celo recently. So obviously, yeah, we have some restriction around $6.75 to $7. The price hasn't been able to break that. Now, we've been hugging this particular area for a while. Look at this. The market in Celo, for some reason, is being compacted and being restricted around $7 or $6.75. Look at that. Now, that's an issue. That's a problem for those who are looking for Celo to go up. Until we see this market break above that $6.75 price, guess what? We can't expect it to happen, right? So let's see this on a different time frame. Maybe we have a little bit more information when we look at Celo's price on a 2-day time frame. You see this here. Now, the first inclination that we can tell that weakness is involved into the space in Celo is right here on this 2-day price bar, October 26, 2021. This is where the beginning phases of selling really occurred into the market in Celo. And since that time, we haven't seen the price in Celo go up, right? But instead, we're seeing a decline in the value of Celo's price. Now, I'm here to tell you, I'm not going to give you a lot of FUD, a lot of FOMO, hype, fear, none of that. If the market looks weak, then it's going to be weak. If the market is strong, then it's going to be strong. Now, I'm looking at the weakness right now in Celo, but to keep it real, I don't really see that much weakness though, right? I can see the market really holding support around $5.50, which is a very positive thing that the market needs to maintain in order for us to break $6.75 to the upside at a later date. Keep that in mind. So let's look at this on an hourly time frame. You guys can see here that the market currently is weak, but we're just pretty much consolidating. So the weakness is not really apparent to those who don't understand how the market really works. We're just consolidating in this space in Celo. Cool. No issues, no worries about that. Okay. So there's no buyers here. This particular price bar right here lets us know that the buyers came in. They came in and tried to buy up the selling into the market in Celo on this 9-hour price bar, but we still are seeing that there's selling still going on, because if the buyers really were in control of the market in Celo, then this would not have happened. We would not have seen the price continue to decrease if the buyers were really in control, but they're not. So this is another inclination that we can say that, yeah, the selling and the weakness is a little bit more involved, a little bit more dominant than the buyers are right now. Okay. So as I do this price prediction, we need to keep in mind that $5.50, that is where the buyers are really in control. So if we break $5.50 to the downside, best believe we're going to continue to go a lot lower in price, which is cool because we already identified where the ascending line is. So $5.50 would be first. Second area will be $5. Okay. So this is the weekly time frame right here into the market in Celo. Now, currently, it could go either way, right? The market isn't extremely weak. It's not extremely strong. So all in all, I mean, we can consolidate still in this currency. I'm not really seeing that the market wants to break out or break down in either direction. I'm not really seeing that. But as I stated earlier, the points that I've made on this video so far about Celo kind of makes us lean towards the price going down still. All right. So let's go ahead and do this price prediction into the market in Celo real quick. Okay. So I said that we're looking for the price in Celo to go down, but I'm not looking for it to be extremely weak. First area for us to grab the bag, or at least see the market try to come towards, is $5.50. Right? That's 6% movement to the downside, which is very doable in the cryptocurrency space. You could get that movement in 30 minutes in the cryptocurrency space. Right? Second area will be around 5. Now it might come up around $5.10. I'll take that too. $5.10 to $5 will be the second area for us to look for this price to go in Celo. Now, if we're not able to see the market break up above this first restriction point, which is around $6.50, then the weakness is still in control. But the biggest areas of restriction for us to see is up here towards $7. Okay. We're going to continue to play the weakness to the market in Celo until we see the market either break $7 to the upside, or we continue to see this market come down to 5 or even 5.50. Okay. So right now, yeah, the market here in Celo is giving us a little bit more weakness than what we are seeing in strength right now. I'm not really being bullish into the market. I'm not really even being bearish, but I'm just simply looking for the price to decrease slightly over the next couple of days in Celo. All right. So now that is Celo. Let me go ahead and extend this out a little bit further so we can continue to watch this price as we go into the month of December and see what really happens. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at the next one, which is audio. Okay. You guys can see that, yeah, we did a price prediction on one of our previous Lookout live streams. You guys can see we played the weakness even then, that the market in audio was weak on September the 18th, 2021. We played a weakness and the market really has came down into our ultimate TP price, and we wasn't really playing that much weakness, right? We told you pretty much where the market was going to try to come in and grab support, and it pretty much did. We were in that vicinity to where the market in audio came in and grabbed support. So 26.96% profitability, and you could have came into the market once we grabbed that and bought the market there, and you'll be in profit mode as the price in audio went up. This is how you're able to continually grab the bag and make money in the cryptocurrency space without the confusion. So you would have made money coming down in price. You would have bought here around $2, and you would have made money as the price went up there to $2.91 on November the 5th. It's just that easy. It's just that simple. Okay, so let me go ahead and get rid of that. And let's talk about this currency real quick. You guys can see here that audio is pretty much still giving us some weakness, right? We are still seeing the market give us a little bit of weakness that we need to talk about. Now, it's not extremely weak. I really like the fact that we did see the price in audio hold that $2 price level. So what I'm going to do, instead of us keeping track of audio holding that ascending line, we're going to see this price really try to come in and hold this area here. We want to see it continue to trade above $1.81. Okay, that is going to be our threshold for letting us know if the market's going to continue to consolidate and move up, or are we going to see the market break down? That is this line for. That's the purpose of this line right here in audio. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Zoom in a little bit closer on a 3-day time frame. You guys can see here that we're not really getting too much. Like, this cryptocurrency is not really too involved into going anywhere, right? We're not seeing this market really emphasizing it wants to go up. We're not really seeing the market emphasizing to go down either, which is a very good thing. You know, stability is one of the best things that we can have into the market. Now, you can't make a lot of money when the market is stable, but you can get prepared for the next move. This is what this particular chart is showing us in audio. It's getting prepared for the next move. So the question would be, okay, cool. Where are we going to go though? We've already established that $1.80, maybe even $2 is a very good area of support. As long as that's the case, we're going to play the strength into the market in audio. Yeah, just by that alone. So let's look at the market in audio on the 2-day then. Take a look at this. We've seen the market weakness in audio come in around $3, $2.90, but we're finding a basis now at $2.20, even around $2. 5-day time frame, right? Take a look at the 5-day. So the market here in audio is giving us initial phases of strength right now, but we got 3 days and 7 hours, so we cannot be dependent on what we're looking at right now in this 5-day price bar in audio. Now, the last 2 5-day price bars, yeah, there is selling going on. Yeah, there is weakness. So how we conclude on this current 5-day price bar is going to tell us everything we need to know in regards to where price is going to go. So for instance, if we're able to see price in audio over the next 3 days and 7 hours close on the high of this 5-day price bar, we're looking for the market to go up. If we close towards the bottom, we're going to continue to go down in price, come down to $2 and $1.80. That's the simplicity of understanding how the market works. So let's look at this on the weekly time frame in audio. You guys can see right here, yeah, it's still weak. The market in audio is still weak. 2 weeks time frame, you guys can literally tell right here that the market weakness is prepared and is still in play in audio. It's the 3 weeks. So we got a day and 7 hours left into the market for this 3 weekly price bar. Now take a look at this. Now from a 3-week perspective, if we're able to see the market close higher than where we started and how we closed on this last previous 3-week price bar, it lets us know that the buyers won out and that the sellers didn't win, and that the ability of us seeing audio go higher is definitely still on the table. So the next day and 7 hours, keep in mind, look at that to see where the market in audio closes. Okay. So what am I looking at? What am I looking forward to into this price in audio currently? Yeah, I'm still playing the strength here into the market in audio. The market definitely is showing us that it wants to try to increase in price, But let me keep it real, okay? I'm not telling you that the price is going to hit $30. No, I'm not that particular YouTube channel. We're not here to hype up these coins. We're here to make money. And we're trying to gauge where the buyers and the sellers are at. And looking at here in audio, I mean, the next area of restriction is not that far. Take a look. $2.50 is the first spot. A bigger area of restriction is right there around $2.60. So let's go ahead and see what we have if the market was to tag out around $2.60, which gives us around 8.25% movement higher in price. That's very doable. Very, very doable. I mean, we might need to get that in the next couple of hours in audio, right? So I'm going to play the strength here into the market in audio. Albeit, I'll be the first one to tell you that I'm not looking at extreme strength, but maybe we could come to that $2.60 price first, and then maybe a little bit higher towards $2.75. Okay. Then I'm gonna bring it up there to 280, ultimately for us to see this market play in audio. Okay, so this is the play right here. Not seeing too much volatility, not seeing too much emphasis that we're trying to break down or even trying to break out. But based off what we've seen recently over the last couple of days in audio, we're going to go ahead and play a little bit of strength, not extreme strength. I'm not telling you that we're going to moon up to $12, anything like that. No, but we can still grab what, 16% out the market and bag that and then move on to the next play. All right. So this is our latest price predictions for these currencies that we don't cover, Celo and now audio. I definitely want to say thank you to all of our artisan members. We appreciate it for you all believing in the content that we are creating, that you can actually do this for yourself without the confusion. So if you guys want to learn more, make sure you keep it locked in here. If you guys want to see any other charts, you guys got to become part of our artisan membership perk. All right, so that's it. I'm done. Thank you all for watching the video. Make sure you guys maintain that profitability and trade different. All right, I'll see you all on the next one.